Okay guys, this is my Range Rover. Super excited about it. Okay, so I got the tints on. They weren't there before, so I got them added. As you see, at nighttime the front tints actually look as black as the back, but it's still daytime here in California. You see I have the 20-inch rims with the black gloss. And here's the beautiful front of the car. Absolutely love it. Oh, the door handles are out. Let me actually lock the door so you can see. So you see it goes in. So at night, the Range Rover emblem actually comes out when I open the door. And you see this is how you unlock it. Keys come out. And you actually lock it back. And I could use this key to let's take a look inside. Inside the car. Okay, so this is the console. Okay, very nice. And then I'm gonna start the car here. Let's see. And then I'll show you how. Panorama sunroof goes all the way back. Okay, pretty cool. Range Rover, love it, beautiful. And as you see, there's the purple lighting. I could change the lighting, so on both sides. Here you could do the climate control. You can choose, where you want the air or the heat to blow out. Have where you could warm up the seats. You can cut that on, and then yeah, okay, so that shows that it's warmed up. Vehicle. There's all types of comfort modes that you can set this on depending on if you're going through like hills, dirt roads, as you see, grass, gravel, snow program, different, through the mud. I didn't know it stopped recording. I had actually finished the whole video. But okay, so I showed you guys that. Then up here, I'm gonna go fast this time, but these are all the, phone navigation, the phone sources. I want to show you, this is valet mode. So when you valet your car, the valet can't have access to any of your settings. Apple CarPlay, you can get on the internet, live weather and news and everything like that. I'm gonna go to the ambient lighting just so you can see kind of how it changes. Again, when it's darker, you could see more.